Right, so I'm going to show you how to pair a JBL Go 4 with an Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the speaker, and on this side here you will see the power button. Press on it once. It should go automatically into Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can tell it's in pairing mode because that light is going to be blinking. If it doesn't go into pairing mode, then press this Bluetooth button once, and when it starts blinking like this, you know it's in pairing mode. So now you just need to go to the Bluetooth settings of your Android phone, and if Bluetooth is on and scanning, it should detect your JBL Boombox 4. Select it, and it's going to get paired and connected. There you go. So once it's connected, you're good to go. You can now start streaming music or playing music from the Android phone to the speaker. Now you can go a step further and download the JBL Portable app. This app right here, it's available for free in the Google Play Store. And once you launch that app, you can actually access the JBL Go 4 from the app, and you have more features and settings to play around with. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.